The Sotapan are stream enterer. The learned and noble disciple, however, who has regard for holy men, knows the teaching of holy men, is well trained in the noble doctrine. He understands what is worthy of consideration and what is unworthy, and knowing this, he considers the worthy and not the unworthy. What suffering is, he wisely considers. What the origin of suffering is, he wisely considers. What the extinction of suffering is, he wisely considers. What the path is that leads to the extinction of suffering, he wisely considers. And by thus considering, 3 fetters vanish, namely, self-illusion, skepticism, and attachment to mere rule and ritual. But those disciples in whom these 3 fetters have vanished, have entered the stream, have forever escaped the states of woe, and are assured of final enlightenment. More than any earthly power, more than all the joys of heaven, more than rule o'er all the world, is the entrance to the stream. And, verily, those who are filled with unshaken faith in me, all those who have entered the stream, these are the 10 fetters by which beings are bound to the wheel of existence. They are self-illusion, skepticism, attachment to mere rule and ritual, sensual lust, ill will, craving for the world of pure form, craving for the formless world, conceit, restlessness, ignorance. A Sotapan or stream enterer, i.e. one who has entered the stream leading to nirvana, is free from the first 3 fetters. A Seka Dagaman are once returned, namely to this sensuous sphere, has overcome the 4th and 5th fetters in their grosser form, and Anagaman, or non-returner, is wholly freed from the first 5 fetters, which bind to rebirth in the sensuous sphere after death, while living in the sphere of pure form. He will reach the goal, and Arahat, our perfectly holy one, is freed from all fetters. 10 fetters, okay? Self-illusion, skepticism, attachment to mere rule and ritual. That's the one that I wanted to talk about, right? Because it's not that these aren't the commandments of what you do and don't do and the ritual and stuff, but it's beyond that. It's, you know, it's beyond that father stage, or maybe before it. Really, it's about the relationship aspect that or in the Zohar, you got the well, you got the body, but you know, the spirit that moves the body, that's what you're after. You know, sensual lust, ill will, craving for the world of pure form, you know, trying to have, living a good life just so you can have a certain experience. Yeah, don't make it merely about that. Craving for the formless world, you know, same thing. Conceit, restlessness, that can be dealt with over time, and so can ignorance. You know, there are neurochemical things going on, and you can work towards balances.